Hello and welcome to the Car Care channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to service the high voltage battery fan filters on the Lexus 400H, Lexus 450H, and our beloved 2006 to 2019 Toyota Highlander Hybrid. But before we get started, if you're new to the channel, welcome. Consider subscribing to the channel, check out some of my other videos. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching another one of my videos. And without further ado, let's dig right into it. Small overview before we get started. So these three cars, even though they're different and different model years and different years, but they're actually very similar underneath, hybrid system wise at least. The battery is located under the back seat. There are three vents right underneath the back seat. They contain a mesh filter that needs to be cleaned regularly. And a lot of people have asked, what's regularly? Well, I would start checking them every 3 months and move it to 6 months after that and go a year and go from there, because that's how dirty that filter gets will depend on how you use the car. If you got pets, if you got kids in the back, if you got a lot of heavy back seat use. If you never use that back seat, likely that filter will not get dirty very quick. So these are the conditions for that. Okay, so removal. This is one of the vents, and I'll show you the rest of them, although they're all exactly the same. So you're going to need a flathead screwdriver. There are two tabs, one here and one here. You're going to use your screwdriver right there. Open this tab to expose the 10mm bolt. And then we're going to do the same on this side. Just put your screwdriver right here and open the tab. There are two 10mm bolts right here on each of the vents. Let me take those out and we'll continue. Two 10mm screws. Then you're going to grab the whole vent and pull it out. Same thing for the center vent. We're going to have an opening here and another one here. Then we're going to take the two 10mm screws. Once the screws are out, pull the vent. Same thing on the last vent. Pop the doors. Move your 10mm screws. And pull the vent out. Alright folks, so we got the filters out of the car. One note about this filter, this car is really well maintained and the filter is actually very clean. But I will show you how to clean those. The best way to clean them is compressed air. This is the side where the dirt is going in, so you're going to flip the vent. Here's the mesh filter, you can see it. We're going to blow air through this side. Do that the same on the three vents. And we're all set. Folks, some of these vents will have a different shape slightly, but all the removal and installation will be the same. Now, let's go install these guys back in the car. To install this vent, you're going to place the vent back, and you're going to notice the edge of the carpet. Just line it up, push the vent in, and install your two screws. Once the screws are installed, push the doors back until you hear them clip like that. To install the center vent, push the vent back, put your two screws back, close the caps, and then install your last vent. Push the vent in. Install your 10mm bolts. Close the caps. and you're all set. So there you have it, folks. This was very simple, took a few minutes. Believe it or not, these little mesh filters, when they get clogged, they really start affecting the life of this high voltage battery. And a common theme for these three models that I see from my experience as a Toyota technician is you won't see the effects of this in a short trip or your daily driving. Take that one long trip though, in a hot summer day, going up and down mountains, and then you're going to see the effects of those clogged filters. Because then the battery will overheat, it'll shut down, and now the car barely drives, it's only running on engine power, and that's when the problems really start. And the more you let this battery overheat, the shorter its life will be. So folks, I say this in every single video, you gotta keep an eye on these filters. This is the lifeblood of your high voltage battery, and it's very important. And for my regular viewers who always say that I never work on Lexus cars or never mention them in this channel, well, here we are. Behind me is a 2007 400H, which is a sister car to the Highlander hybrid, but there you go, guys. I talk about Lexus cars too. I hope this video was helpful or informative. I hope you learned something new. If you like this video, consider giving it a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing to the channel. May the Lord bless you and keep you, and you have a wonderful day.